Rollercoin have released a very special sale called Sol Power On. Stay tuned to find out more. Okay, so Rollercoin keep on surprising us with new things every week. So on my screen here, you can see some of the things going on right now in Rollercoin. One of them is the Sol Power On sale, which at the time of recording this video, there are 23 hours and 23 minutes remaining. So if I click here, we can see what this is all about. So get cracking, because there are only 3,500 in total and currently only 3,095 left. So I'm going to upload this video as soon as possible so you can get on with the Sol R miner. So this is a brand new miner. You can take it to your room today and start mining your favorite coin with more power than before, with 250 terahash and a 0.5% bonus. Those are the only common stats that you will get. So these are the common stats. Now, if you were to merge this up to the Unreal version, you'll really get loads more power with an amazing 31 petahash per second. 31 petahash and an unbelievable 11.45% bonus. Mind-blowing for sure. Okay, so would you bet on them being sold out in less than 24 hours? Be a part of it happening. So this was a sale that is going for 24 hours and the cost of this is 0.06 Sol. Obviously, to get Sol, you will need to deposit Sol in your account on Rollercoin, and at the moment we can see that there are no discounts for Sol. Okay, you can deposit Sol and just spend the Sol. There are no discounts when you come to convert Sol to RLT, but you don't have to. You just spend your Solana directly, okay? So let's see exactly what this means. So if we were to go back here and go back to the Sol Power On sale, we said it is 0.06 Sol. The price at the moment is at 87 euros and 29 cents for Solana. This is euro, remember, okay? So if we were to calculate that and see how much exactly it will come in fiat currency, so let's say it's 87.28 at the moment times 0.06, so that's going to cost you an average 5 euros and 23 cents. 5 euros and 23 cents, and you will be getting this Sol miner. Okay, so for each one you purchase, you're basically spending technically 5.2 RLT. Okay, so it's that equivalent. So is it worth it or not? Well, you do have a bonus attached to it, and it is 250 terahash. So if you spend, let's say, 20 euros, if you get 4 of them, okay, then that will give you 1 petahash in power. You won't get 0.5% every time, but then you can then merge 2 and 2 and even merge those into another one and get up to the rare state. Okay, so you can go up to uncommon on 2, uncommon on the other 2, and then merge all of those 4 and actually get the rare Solar. Okay, so let's see if we go to the marketplace and see if we go to Sol. It's not for sale, so I don't think this can be sold. Okay, so that is what I wanted to check out in the marketplace to see if any of these are actually being sold at the moment. Okay, granted, this has just started, so maybe people haven't sold them yet, but it is quite possible that they cannot be sold. Here it does not actually specify if you can sell or not. Okay, so it is quite possible that you might not be able to sell it. Okay, so bear that in mind as well. But I wanted to highlight this, and I'm going to shut up very soon and upload this video so I don't waste any more time for you and give you the chance to purchase the remaining 3,000 or so remaining, because apparently almost 500 of them have already disappeared. Okay, so get cracking. I think it might be worth it actually, but I'll be checking out exactly the details. So what I would do in this case is I would go to the marketplace and actually see all miners in the price range from, let's say, 4 to 6 RLT, which is going to put me in that 5.2 bracket. Okay, what else can you purchase with that amount of RLT? Okay, can you purchase a 200 terahash miner? Well, here so far I haven't seen one, so I don't think so. There are a couple with higher bonus percentages, okay? So you can get, for less money, you can actually get a 1.5% bonus if you don't already have that miner, but you'll have less power, okay? You'll get more bonus, but less power, okay? So do your research on these things. This is how I like to do it. I like to check, I like to see in that price bracket what I can actually get for the same equivalents. And here it doesn't seem that I can actually get anything at the same power, but I could get something with a higher bonus if I didn't have it. Like for example, the GJ roller at 5.5, which is almost the same price, okay? So check these things out. If you obviously don't have any of these miners, you'll be getting new percentage points right there. So it's important for you to check these out in the marketplace as well to see what's going on there. There are more pages here. Just go through them and see what you can actually obtain. So here if we go to, for example, power high to low, let's see if there's actually one there. The highest power is 125, okay? So it's not going to give you that 250 that the Sol R will be providing, okay? So there you go. I just wanted to give you this update and let you know the Sol power on sale is on, giving you a whopping 250 terahash in power and 0.5% bonus. And if you merge them up to the Unreal, you'll be getting a 31 petahash and 11.5% bonus. Whopping crazy power right there, okay? Also, last but not least, if you haven't registered to the Rollercoin game, you can do so down below in the description below this video. Click my link and you will instantly get 1000 Satoshi as soon as you register with my referral link. Again, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below and smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves and thanks for watching.